can't send me. Before Kennedy Agyapong a free Ghana no all can't send me. More munim no more can't share no can be say no person or distracted Ghana for now say our video of John Mahama naked picture. John Mahama naked picture be I am daring him to show that video.
Na ma catch them so ono get bi anu wey adwuma United Nations. Ono ne koye pharmacy shop. What has he done to her?
Nti oba
na ono na adi Mahama pictures go man. We are sick and tired of you. Ufi sen ko bi su nyamo dia na. This time mama mo so ni ma record them mo record. Even up. Now whose one is nasty? Why? I mean, I come children a quiet JB fast woo ye. How sorry, Uncle Jimmy was social media.
Before I be free Ghana, no. Kennedy Agyapong got the net too, so got baby say, oh, John Mahama naked video. And anything you could Ahmed Swally. I am daring Kennedy Agyapong, me mano, just 1 week. 1 week Dawson. 1 week Dawson. Or on the platforms. Me man 24 hours. Say or see our naked videos or pictures of John Mahama, you should show it. Me say, bogus na mwa bruche, me be show naked pictures, intina me there wono. Aha, minim dia me be yo. Inti mo kanche Kennedy Agyapong say me say, or see our John Mahama naked photos, or the naked videos, and intina John Mahama and this foku Ahmed Swally, JB Dankwa. Me say me there no on my platform. Say, me man 24 hours. He should show the pictures. Mo obia who say our John Mahama because me baby show only naked pictures. Me wo it's my there no. Me say, sir, before I free Ghana say oh John Mahama naked pictures and it's no cool Ahmed Swally no. I am daring you here on my platform say show those naked pictures. So also no krena wo kan. Oji see Jimmy Ohun. But I have yours. It's me betre bibi. So wako faba, me de besiawo. Me say, I don't care. Show John Mahama's pictures. What is Jimmy Ohun? Show those photos you have. Me mau just 24 hours. Just 24 hours. Me betre Ghana for bibi. Me say, me from tomorrow I might not do a show because I have to take care of some family business. But the message way Kennedy Agyapong. Me say, when I can radio so. O kind of TV so ewo Ghana say o phone so o John Mahama naked pictures. I am daring you to show the pictures. On the ground, cut this piece. Na Jimmy for no for mano. Na mon kan say I have his naked pictures and I'm giving him till Monday 24 no because one till Monday. Show us John Mahama's pictures. Release him radio no more Bronx. German. Release one can say Facebook live. Release the pictures no. Because there's a reason to I am daring you wherever you are tonight. Wherever you are tonight. A Jimmy for no fan command say, okay, yes, or John Mahama pictures or you're naked on your bar, show it. Would you see a Jimmy Ohun? But match the Ghana for who you are. So I am telling you today, minimum you, I have a lot of things to expose. Oh no, you know. I will let people see the kind of people you are. So now I will say, medi, you go shit everything out. I'm daring you on this platform as the CEO of Loud Silence Media, the host of With All Due Respect, me mouth on Monday. If you don't show these pictures, say so your bema. So when to make sure and I'm better Ghana for so we are boo bi kura movie. Also show na interest on na ku JB dankwa. Show because you say you prove. Say you know what body you all can defamation. Who where the defamation? Also be what body me see. Show those pictures. Na obia say John Mahama nie naked pictures nie. Na men kire wade bi. Oji so hia nkwara ho. Me twu mu rough unime. So this is it to him. Send it to him. Na me say me se me twen no. Monday, oh America ha nie. Ye nyina internet ye adwuma. Ye nyina o start here o say stand up with the cool JB Dankwa. O say John Mahama the cool JB Dankwa. O say Ibrahim Mahama. O say Obia Obubo Ding. O say the me see. Sa picture now o say enam so amomuku Ahmed Swally. John Mahama the cool no. Show that picture because I'm going to show you naked pictures. Oji say wonya ho adi. but chumu rough unimintra. You have no idea. A Jimmy for Abudi Monka as a Kennedy. Kelvin says show naturally we say one the Kennedy Agyapong. Kelvin says show whoever John Mahama is with now. I'm telling them say I am daring Kennedy. In Crassi for no friend. Now because Kelvin saw your Bema show. Doesn't media men person Dabi. Because a month for the world is saying.